Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a quick and easy way to download your Outlook emails. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your Outlook account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the email that you want to download. Once you are there, click on the email you wish to download, and it will open in a new window. Now, look for an option with 3 dots. Click on it, and you'll see a menu with several options. In the menu, find and click on the option named Save As. This is the key step to initiate the download of your email. Your file download will begin, and you can keep an eye on the progress up here. Once it's complete, you're almost done. To find your downloaded email, double-click on the Show in Folder button. A new window will open, and you'll see your mail saved in your download folder. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an Outlook email. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.